We're at Friendly Truck Driving School, and we're going to be checking the suspension system, the leaf spring. So first off, the leaf spring, both sides, there are no cracks, no damage, tight and secure. The leaf spring fastener on this end, no cracks, no damage, it is tight and secure. The U-bolts in the middle, two of them, no cracks, no damage, tight and secure. And tight and secure. The U-bolt of the fastener on the very end, no cracks, no damage, it is tight and secure. The leaf spring has no shifted out of place parts and is not in contact with any other vehicle component. Okay. The suspension system, leaf spring. A minor defect would be a broken leaf spring. In the case of a minor defect, you would note it in your logbook, you would contact the operator, and you would continue on driving the vehicle for the day. A major defect would be a cracked or broken main leaf spring, or more than one broken leaf spring. Part of a leaf spring or suspension is missing, shifted out of place, or is in contact with another vehicle component. In case of a major defect, you would note it in your logbook, you would contact the operator, and you would not drive the vehicle until this is corrected.